we'll see some default settings configuration. That's here, right? In dev config, not ASL but general, and there's a lot of logical things. This is all the default parameters when you are creating a project: second shot or master scene, frame rate, etc., etc. File path for calendar, and don't touch at that if or you are knowing JSON logical, and you can add a frame rate and etc., etc. And same thing for department, project, status. By default here, these IDs, and this is the IDs of the project. You can see the department IDs here. For example, instruction. Yeah. Here are the IDs. Yeah, in rollover, and very important, rollover, not what you see. We'll try to be better after. And I'm coming back to config. The default project type of yeah, the default project type when you create a project. Status, you can see the status in production. For example, we go to a demo, and in special, not here, because here is for us fixed row and column. I can add a column with a status, but if you go to a custom category, any category in custom, you will see status. When you double click, yeah, this is a status you can have per default when you manage your project. I'm coming back to config, and same thing for directories, exclude list, bank, data folder, etc., software and competencies. You can add anything as you want. And something very important, that's for example, I want to create another statue, for example, Scotland. Sorry for British. Scotland. It's very important to respect the spaces here before, and no spaces in the term you write in. We are trying to be better after, but spaces, comma, spaces, comma, but no spaces in your name, please, please, please. And technical script structure, this is when you are going to a demo, for example. Here, technical script shows one shot, and action, camera, sound is not already translate, that will be coming. And the label you see here can be changed here. It's concerned config, and this is action, camera, sound, and that's here. Whereas over specific things, you can trash or purge temp folder, the log, reset calendar. Yeah, this is to clean out calendar, but the most specific is reset all session. For example, you have a problem. I hope you did not have a problem, and when you do that, all people on SaAM will have no SaAM memories anymore. Explain. you perhaps see already that when you are logging on SaAM, you can log and be directly on your good project or good sequences, good area, and this some variable on how can I say that? This is personal variable. You can reset all personal variable in one click, and that can be very practical if you are doing, for example, reset all some configuration. And okay, that's that.